Hi, this is Mona Did What. Today I'm going to show you how I make my slip pockets for my bags. I take a piece of fabric that's twice the size that I want the pocket, and then I just fold it in half and stitch across the top. And I make it a little bit wider than the side of the bag. So I'm just going to stitch here, 2 1/2. Okay, then I'm just going to turn it right side out. Whoops. Apparently I missed. Let's do that again. Alrighty. Oh man, I really went off the edge. I wasn't even close. For crying out loud. So I'm going to take this apart a little bit where I got cocky and moved way too fast. Alright, come on you. Oh, a couple more I think before I went goofy crazy. Alright, now line it up again evenly. Okay, now let's sew this again. And you can use pinking shears if you want with that. I'm not going to because that's going to be stitched again. So I'm going to turn it right side out. My little tube. And you're going to roll your seams, line them up, and then you're going to give it a good press. I don't think you can see over here at the iron, so that's what I'm doing off screen. I'm pressing. I don't think I need a camera over here, but if need be, I'll have one. That's me in the corner pressing. Okay, it's all pressed. And I'm going to do a 3. I'm going to top stitch across the top. This top here. Now let's see which. Now I'm going to do across this top here, where the seams are. Back stitch. Now that that's done, go over to the mat. Okay, here's my pocket. I'm going to make sure, I usually put a T at the top to make sure, but I forgot on that one. Okay, now, here's my pocket, here's my lining. What I like to do is fold it in half, give it a press, finger press, same with the lining, fold it in half, give it a finger press. You can press it if you want to, but you don't have to. Then I'm going to line it up, and I like to go 1 1/2 down from the top for my pocket, and then I just line it up for there, and then I pin on each side to keep it from shifting. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to sew here, down here, up this side, down that side, and across, and then up. If you want one giant slip pocket, you don't have to do the middle. You can just sew the bottom. I'm trying to see. Where's my phone? Let's see. I don't think it would fit in this way, so I think I'm going to leave it open and not do the middle, but I still like it in the middle. So now I'm going to go to the machine. I think I like the overhead better. So what I like to do is I like to start on the corner, just a few stitches over, back stitch, and then turn. That way there's not a lot of stress on this corner. And then I just sew straight down. And then I back stitch and then turn. Oops, it needs to go one more. And then I'm going to sew all the way down the other side, and I go right off the side. And then I come over to the side of the thing, keep it lined up, and just go straight. Watch out for your pins. And then I turn when I get to that seam, go up 2 and back. And your slip pocket is done. Now I left this one bigger so I could put a phone in there, sunglasses, or whatever I wanted. I'll show you over on the mat. But there's your slip pocket. This one's going to be one big one, so I can put glasses or keys or whatever. But in a bigger bag, I would put it down the middle and do some stitches there. So there you go. Thanks for watching.